Hello and welcome to Coyote RecordKeeper. In this short overview, we want to show you the main components of the Coyote RecordKeeper system. Coyote in general is a contact manager, sales, invoicing, purchase orders, an ERP, and a CRM, in addition to many other aspects that we have brought in to integrate here in the Coyote product. Starting with the contact management, we have your usual bill to, ship to, unlimited phone numbers, at a glance ability to look at orders, purchase orders. You can attach multiple customers to additional contacts. So if a company has lots of employees or multiple locations, you can record all those additional locations, which can help in ordering. You can build a My Garage feature if you're an automotive company, as well as customer waiting lists. Our sales feature lets you add items by keyword, have multiple kitted items, so an item can have multiple items hidden within it. You can do advanced discounting, drop shipping, handle multiple payments, credit cards, alter your billing and shipping addresses. The credit cards do address verification services. We have a shipping module and a returns authorization module built right into the program here, as well as the ability of having very detailed notes regarding what has occurred with an order, who has changed orders, and what has been happening to an order. Our inventory system is very detailed for keeping track of inventory. You can keep track of multiple inventory quantities for a single SKU, such as if you have do something with multiple colors and sizes, It'll keep track of your back orders, how many items you have currently on order coming into your system, help you figure out what you need to purchase, what your minimum maximum level should be, and will even help you automatically order all those items. If you're one who keeps track of a print catalog, we have tools to be able to help you organize your catalog as well as your website. Our database will connect dynamically to an internet e-commerce site and automatically sync inventory values, descriptions, categories up to the website, so that all you have to do is maintain your inventory management system and the website is then automatic. We have very detailed pricing tools to not only help you set the basics retails, but you can set desired markups. The system can help you automatically price your products, and when your automatic pricing is set up with different scales, if your costs are changing, the system can alert you when you're no longer making your desired margins, or when somebody needs to look at the price to make sure that you're still making the kind of profit that you need to make. As some products pricing are volatile or costs go up and down, you need to be able to keep your good grasp on whether you're making the profits you need to on your items. The web integration of our system allows you to insert your additional keywords, notes, marketing descriptions, and even long descriptions attached to your items. These items are automatically synced to the web to help to build very dynamic and very search engine optimized pages. Our inventory system allows very detailed product associations or kits or building of products. You can assign multiple accessories, so when a salesperson is selling an item or when the web user is looking at an item, additional upsell items can be prompted to the user in addition to the item they're purchasing. We have a very advanced ability to show you multiple pop-up options. And here's a different pop-up option that was created that actually changes the part number. And this is telling the system that when this part is purchased, to pop up a menu of these different options. Whichever the user chooses, it's going to take this value and add it to the end. This particular company has a number of carpet kits. All their actual part numbers are the base part number plus this ending. So this allows a easy method for the salesperson to choose a year span and then automatically have the right part chosen. This also works on the web, so that when a user is on the website, they have an option of the year, and when they add to their cart, they'll have the right part added to their cart. Of course, each part in the system can have multiple vendors, and the system will not only show the mins, the maxes, but help to tell the purchaser what the proper mins and maxes are. They've sold quite a few over the last 5 years, and based on that, the system can suggest that they keep a minimum of 28 in stock, and that when they do order, they order a minimum of 40. The logic isn't just so basic as to look at the top and look at the bottom and figure out where the mins and maxes should be. And at any time, the user or the purchaser can drill down with very, very detailed ability to look at inventory adjustments, when the items were actually purchased. So we can see any time that an item has been actually purchased, how many was purchased, when it was purchased. We can even take a look at every sales order this item was purchased on, who purchased it, when they purchased it. So there's quite a bit of detail here. In our purchasing area, we have broken up purchasing by task. The purchase order writes the order. The receiver has a very different screen just designed for receiving. He will only see parts on his order that he has yet to receive. The purchaser has an opportunity to enter in the quantity in which he actually received. What the system will do is, upon entering this, it'll calculate the number of labels that he needs. The receiver can go ahead and alter the number of labels that he needs and be able to go ahead and print his labels. Once the receiver posts this receiving batch, those quantity is now added to inventory. That inventory, if there's back orders or any orders waiting for that inventory, it is allocated so that we know which users and orders are to get it based on how long they've been waiting for their back order. The next step would be for a purchaser. Purchaser would be able to choose the batch that the receiver had received and be able to do the accounting portion. And we do support a QuickBooks interface to help post over the amount as a bill or as a credit card charge to QuickBooks, as well as a quick way of being able to look at our QuickBooks accounts right from the purchasing section. And so there's 3 people who are involved here in purchasing, and each screen was designed specifically for the accountant, for the receiver, and the purchaser. And one of our best features is the prompt on the side, which will actually remind the purchaser as to what items they need to purchase. So this is actually telling the purchaser that these items need to be purchased, and they can be purchased at a single click by adding all items to their order. We have hundreds of reports built into our system. Users can actually add to their favorites any particular report that they print on a frequently used basis. Under their favorites tab shows just the reports they want, and they could easily choose a report, print it, and the description of the report and any specific criteria about the report are shown here to help them see where they got the right report. We also have an end-of-day batching program in which users can create actually groups of reports to print. Upon running the end-of-day batches, such as this one, which is a batch print, this report doesn't print just one report. This report prints a whole pile of reports, allowing the end-of-day person to start the printing process, walk away from their computer, doing counting of money, processing of receipts, and having all the reports coming out without them having to stop and run the next report. This is a general overview of the product. We have specific videos that we're going to be including after this video, which get into the real detail of exactly what this product is capable of, the kind of automation that we cover. We have at this point only scratched the surface of the capabilities of this program. We've done our best to keep the interface as simple as possible, to hide the advanced options, to allow the casual or new user to the system to only have to deal with the options that they have to, and yet keeping the powerful features available to those who need them and know where to find them. Take a look at some of our other videos. We hope to talk to each of you soon about how we can apply Coyote RecordKeeper to your business.